Hi, I'm Raheli and this is Vegan Girl Travels. On this channel, I share everything related to traveling as a solo female. I share my travel adventures, travel tips, how to eat vegan when traveling, and packing. If you are interested to explore the world and join my adventures, make sure to subscribe to join the community. Today we will be exploring the beautiful city of Dresden, and I'm currently sitting here by the Elbe River, and behind me is the beautiful historic quarter that I think is what we're going to explore next. So let's go! Standing right in front of Frau Kirche, which means the same thing as Notre Dame, Our Lady. This church was originally built between 1726 and 1743. Sadly, on February 1945, it was bombed along with the majority of the historical quarter of Dresden. The ruins remained as they were for the next 50 years, until 1994, which is when reconstruction began, and it was completed in 2005 and open to the public. So now that it's open to the public, let's go inside. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like. Channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Bye!